Francois, how you doing?
Good, lovely.
Sunny day in Cambridge.
Tell you what, not like I expected English winters to be at all.
You're South African, right?
Yes, correct. I lived in Cape Town for most of my life, and then about 5 years ago moved to the UK, and it's been great.
When did you first pick up photography?
I got serious about photography in 2006. Wife and I got married. People didn't know what to give us for wedding gifts because we had everything already. So they gave us money and gift vouchers and checks, and we bought our first camera with that. And I realized very soon for the kind of photography I wanted to do, it was the wrong camera. So I bought an SLR, and it went from there. Learning curve was virtually vertical in the beginning. Learned a lot in a short space of time, and rest is history.
You said you learned a lot in a short space. What made you do that?
The best thing to do is to hang around with other photographers, and this is why the photography evenings that we've been having at the bathhouse are great. You meet photographers of different levels, and they're all there because they're also passionate about photography and they want to learn about photography or pass on their knowledge. And so that's a great way to learn, because you can just sit there and absorb almost like a sponge. And so this is a fantastic initiative, and I've enjoyed going to them.
So you've basically surrounded yourself with photographers to be able to learn through osmosis, ask questions.
Exactly. I joined the camera club. That was great. Also learned a lot there. And then just get out there and take photos. Make mistakes. Doesn't matter. It's digital photography. You see the results straight away. If you don't like what you shot, delete it and try again.